Hello guys, welcome back to Solution Mitra. So today question is, if A ratio B equal to 4 ratio 5, find 5A minus B upon 10A plus 3B. So how we can find the value of the given expression if we have given that A ratio B equal to 4 by 5, 4 ratio 5. So let's see. The first thing is I can write this ratio A ratio B as A by B. This is equal to 4 by 5. Now from here I can write the value of A as this B multiplied in right hand side. So value of A is 4 by 5 B, or I can say the value of A is 4B by 5. Now put the value of A in the given expression to find the value of the expression. So I can write this expression as 5 value of A is 4B by 5 minus B divided by 10 value of A is 4B by 5 plus 3B. Now simplify the given expression by calculating just like 5 multiplied by 4B by 5, so 5 cancel out with 5. In here 5 divided 10 by 2 times, so 5 to the 10. So we have 4B minus B in numerator upon uh, 4 to the 8, 8B plus 3B in denominator. When I subtract B from 4B, I got 3B divided by 8 plus 3, 11B. So B cancel out with B. What I got? Final answer is 3 by 11. So this is my final answer. We can't simplify this expression anymore. So this is the value of the expression when we have given A ratio B equal to 4 ratio 5. So we can easily find the value of the expression by uh, changing the value of A B from the ratio. We can put the value of B also. What the value of B from the ratio? Value of B is 5 by 4, or I can say 5A by 4. So in another manner, put the value of B in the given expression and solve this expression to find the value of this expression as 3 by 11. I hope you understand the concept. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and take care.